Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elsa Anissa Kadri. I would like present the material about conjunctions for making compound sentence. The first conjunction is coordinate conjunction. There are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And look the example. Com- the example compound sentence with coordinate conjunction. The first example is the student reviewed the material carefully for the exam was considered difficult. So, in the first example, cell the independent clause pertamanya, the student was reviewed the material carefully. The subject is the student, and the verb is review. And independent clause kedua, the exam was considered difficult. The subject is the exam. The verb is was. And menggunakan coordinate conjunction for. So, selain kita menggunakan conjunction because, kita juga bisa menggunakan coordinate conjunction for. And the second example is the experiment was well designed, yet the results did not support the hypothesis. Independent clause pertamanya, the experiment was well designed. The subject is the experiments, and the verb is was. And the second independent clause is the results did not support the hypothesis. The subject is the results from the experiments, and the verb is did not support. And it is use the coordinate conjunction yet. So, selain kita menggunakan conjunction but, kita juga bisa menggunakan conjunction yet. And the third example, the student did not submit the assignment on time, nor did she provide any explanations. The first independent clause is the student did not submit the assignment on time, and the second independent clause is did she provide an explanation. And it's use the coordinate conjunction nor. And the first is the lecture was difficult to understand, so several students asked questions afterwards. So, in compound sentence with coordinate conjunction, kita menggunakan koma sebelum menggunakan coordinate conjunction tersebut. And next, semicolons and conjunctive adverb. So, conjunctive adverb, they are moreover, furthermore, in addition, besides, to give more information, to give the additional information. And however, nevertheless, nonetheless, still, instead, on the other hand, to give the contrast or opposite sentence. And as a result, therefore, thus, consequently, it is we used to give the results or conclusion. And then, meanwhile, afterwards, subsequently, finally, is meant to give the to give the time of the next sentence. Let's look at the example of compound sentence with a semicolons and a conjunctive adverb. The first example is the solution seemed effective. Semicolons. Nevertheless, comma, further testing was necessary. So, in the first example, we use nevertheless to show the contrast from the independent clause pertama. Selain kita menggunakan nevertheless, kita juga bisa menggunakan conjunction but pada kalimat pertama ini. And next, the second example, the experiment failed to produce accurate data. Consequently, the study was revised. And selain kita menggunakan consequently, kita juga bisa menggunakan because of that, as a result, of conjunction so. And let's look the third example. The course is well organized. Moreover, it provides practical experience. And we use the conjunctive adverb moreover to give the additional information from the first independent clause. And the last is the data were incomplete. Therefore, the conclusion was delayed. We use therefore to give more information from the first independent clause. So let's look the compound sentence with a semicolons. The first example is the lecture was long, semicolons, the students were tired. And the second, many students prefer online course, semicolons, others chose face-to-face instruction. And the third, the library was crowded, semicolons, studying at home become difficult. And next, I would like to tell about the common TOEFL mistake. The first sentence, the first mistake. The lecture was long, comma, the students were tired. It is the run-on sentence mistake because karena pada kalimat ini dia menggunakan koma. Seharusnya kita juga bisa menggunakan yang benarnya kita harus menggunakan semicolons ataupun koma tapi diikuti dengan koordinat conjunction. And the second is the lecture was long, semicolons, and the students were tired. Kenapa kalimat ini salah? Karena dia menggunakan semicolons dan menggunakan conjunction and. Jika kita menggunakan conjunction and, kita tidak boleh menggunakan semicolon, tapi kita menggunakan koma saja. So, the correct sentence is the lecture was long, comma, and the students were tired. I think that is all. Thank you for your attention. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.